Hello and welcome to Math Lessons with Linda. Today we're going to take a look at another example of how to factor a trinomial. Today's trinomial is m squared plus 2m minus 24. First thing we're going to check for on all of our problems that we're factoring is a GCF, which in this problem we do not have a GCF other than 1, so we're going to leave this as it is. We are using the method where we have our x to help us separate out all of our factors and terms. So since we do not have a GCF, we know that we're going to end up with two sets of parentheses that we need to fill in with factors from our polynomial. We are going to take this minus 24. We need to find factors that multiply to negative 24. But also they have to add up to positive 2. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to remind us that we need a product of negative 24 and we need a sum of positive 2. Now, 24 has a lot of factor pairs. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. So I'm going to do a quick scan. All of these should multiply to 24. That's why we chose them. But I'm going to do a quick scan and see if there are any that either add up to 2 or subtract and have a difference of 2. And when I look at that, the one that I notice is 6 and 4 because they don't add up to 2, but they subtract and give me 2. So I'm going to start off with this first. I'm going to put the 6 and the 4 here. Now, I need them to multiply to negative 24, so one of these is going to have to be negative. And also, I need them to add to positive 2. So one of them is going to have to be negative for that as well. Now, since I need my sum to be positive, I'm going to leave my larger factor the positive number. That means that my 4 can be the negative. So I'm going to get 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. I want that. And I also want 6 minus 4 to be positive 2. So I'm going to get that. Now you've done all the hard work. Let's go fill in our factors. Remember that m squared can factor to an m times an m. And our last two numbers are already here for us. I need one of them to be a plus 6 and one of them to be a minus 4. And this is my factored trinomial. And if you choose, you can go back and use the foiling method we've talked about before to check your problem.